For today's tutorial, we will be learning how to add a PowerPoint slide deck, PDF file, Keynote deck or Excel file to our SmartR LMS platform. First, you will need to log in with your admin account. It will bring you to the home page. Click on Learn tab, then followed by Material tab. To create a new material, click on Add New Material button. You will need to fill in the name of the material. In this example, you need to choose either PDF, PowerPoint, Keynote or Excel as material type. Once done, remember to turn on Allow Download button so learners can download. You may also fill in the material description if needed. Next, click on the Content tab and upload the files accordingly. Always remember to save as draft, otherwise you may publish and save it. For today's tutorial, we learned how to add a PowerPoint slide deck, PDF file, Keynote deck or Excel file as a material, and the difference between the draft and publish save options. In our next tutorial, we will be learning how to add a quiz to the SmartR LMS platform. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like our videos. See you soon.